Hey guys, it's Hailey.
And Alyssa.
And we're doing a 7x7 challenge. Okay,
It's going to be Hailey eating a 7x7 burger versus me solving 7x7 3 times. So we'll see who wins this one.
You got your timer?
Yep, and I got my lovely cubing timer right here, which I'll show you at the end.
Are you ready?
Yes, okay.
Stuff right there behind you.
I'm gonna cut this. Holy crap.
Oh wait, actually,
That is so dense.
Did you eat 7 or did you eat more?
I think that's 7, but maybe not these.
Oh, my hands are a little greasy, so you got an advantage here.
Oh, well, mine are gonna be too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's so hot.
It's getting so cold.
Ooh, it's really hot. This is gonna be easy.
Okay, so should I just do 2 solves?
We shall see.
Okay. We'll just make it based on 2 or 3 solves, I guess.
I'm gonna finish with food off.
So much cheese.
This will prepare me for competitions under pressure.
Might need 3 because it's really hot.
Oh, okay.
Can I get some silverware?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Would you mind that one? Oh, yeah, because I gotta figure it out.
That actually looks pretty good.
It is really good.
I just realized I'm probably not in frame, so I gotta solve more from here.
It's really hot. I think she forgot about you again.
Yeah.
This feels like a really good solve. I'm just gonna make this 2 separate solves. And then add them together.
I'm slowing down.
Oh, alright.
So much grease.
I think she's got it.
You're welcome.
Ooh, carry, my favorite.
Are you gonna hit stop on that one?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna start again. And then I'll add the 2 solves together. Like, I won't count inspection time.
Look at this.
Oh my god. Oh no. I messed with my algorithm.
There's 7.
Man.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I was doing a J term and I lost track where it was. Okay, 442.
442.
And the next one.
Did she say mix this one up?
Oh, yeah. Just in case.
Look how slow I am.
Oh.
Is that hard?
Mm-hmm. There's so much grease.
Probably. There's a lot of cheese too. It's so complicated.
Once you break it down step by step, like, it's not too difficult. Like, at least to understand. Uh-oh, don't plop on me.
Oh!
Okay. This would kill me in a competition because it takes like 5 seconds, however many.
Her cue popped. Good?
That's good.
Yeah, you like use your own food bottom one.
Yeah,
Oh,
because like, you like buy your own cubes and like set them up and break them in and all that good stuff. Make them your own. I want kids.
Me too. Yeah,
Yeah, we'll make it 3 solves.
well,
Or,
thing is, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to finish it.
oh no.
I don't want to throw up.
Oh, that looks like throw up again. Oh no. I really messed up my algorithm again.
Yeah. I think you definitely beat me.
Okay. So should we just make it 2 solves?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
This is like so much grease, so much burger, so much cheese. Just, that's all it is. That's what I had left. Oh. like cheese?
Here.
435.
So 435 plus the 2 or the 4. I forgot.
See if I can do this. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna do some quick math here. I accidentally made that one a DNF. Oh, okay, but it wasn't. 442, 79. So we got 14, 1, 9. Oh God. Oh, okay. So 9 minutes and 17 seconds and 94 milliseconds.
She won.
And now I'm gonna eat.
Look at all this grease. Did you even get? Oh, you wrote on a napkin?
Yeah.
Here, just give me the bottom.
There we go. So good. I just realized I didn't even put ketchup in it. What's wrong? Oh.
We'll be back. So, I was defeated by the burger.
Yep. And I, with my super fast skills, beat Hailey.
Yep. Even though I kind of just gave up, but other than that, we plan on doing 2 7x7 solves, and me finishing that burger, but so much grease, so much cheese, and
So much meat.
oh my god, it was, I'm gonna regret that, like,
You ate the bread. Just, there was like a chunk of meat.
yeah,
just in there.
yeah. Alright, well, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and comment any other challenges that we should do. Because as you probably see before this video, if you haven't seen it already, I'm gonna put the description, or I'm gonna put it down in the description. But we did I did the spicy ramen challenge with 2 other friends. Make sure to go watch that video too, and yeah, just comment any challenges we should do, whether it be eating challenges or
Making Hailey suffer more.
yeah, pretty much. All right. And subscribe. We always appreciate subscribers. And we'll see you next time. Bye.